Пошли, двойка пошла!
Hi guys, it's Yat from Warthog Defense. Welcome back to the channel. As tension escalates, Ukrainian ingenuity has turned the tide, installing fear on the Russian forces with a formidable weapon, drones. The Ukrainian military adopted the use of unmanned aerial vehicles has sent shock waves through the Russian ranks. These nimble devices, armed with cutting-edge technology, has proven to be a game changer, disrupting and demoralizing the once confident Russian forces. Here we explore how Ukrainian drones are reshaping the battlefield, leaving a lasting impact on the dynamics of this conflict.
Ukrainian FPV drone spectacularly flies into the basement of the occupiers. This Russian serviceman was apparently a witness to a flock of Ukrainian FPV drones led by a repeater drone queen, which descended onto Russian positions and started the bombing.
Выяснилось, что они отправляют большое крыло с ретранслятором, который ретранслирует сигнал, и под ним идет стая дронов FPV, да, FPV дронов, они порядка там 10 стаю, короче, летит, то есть матка летит выше, где-то там на больших высотах, в небольшом, грубо говоря, ее диапазоне засечения, выводит под ним, она проходит еще стая дронов, потом опускаются над позициями и начинают работать.
Putin suggests Il-76 couldn't be shot down by Russian air defense by definition due to friend or foe systems. Apparently, no one told him about the A-50, which the Russians argued furiously was taken down by own air defense.
Это не могло быть ни при каких обстоятельствах дружественным огнем, как в таких случаях говорят, потому что самолет был поражен системами ПВО, не армейскими какими-то средствами, ПЗРК и так далее, а именно системами, ракетами ПВО. Ну, это видно по элементам поражения. А наши системы ПВО по своему самолету по определению наносить удар не могут. Там стоят системы свой-чужой, и сколько оператор на кнопку бы не нажимал, наша система ПВО не сработали бы. Техника.
Russia says this is the footage of Ukrainian prisoners of war being loaded onto the downed Il-76, filmed on a surveillance camera. But we don't buy that. The footage is blurry and unclear. It could be anything, really. Short fragment of a trench assault by warriors of the 47th Mechanized Brigade in the Avdiivka direction.
Пошли, двойка пошла! Там кто-то есть? Дальше, ну, блиндаж. Давай, давай.
Чисти, чисти, чисти! Крой!
Постой, постой. Есть. Давай гранату. На, бросай туда гранату.
Не надо, он...
Вырушится. 200?
Минус 1.
Давай, вперед, вперед. Тихо, де крики?
Там.
Бліндажі крики.
Сдаешься! Выходи, сука! Выходи! Почему? Нахуй, он выше! Оружие убрал! Оружие! Стоп! Я не пистолет стреляю! Выше!
The new Slovakian Prime Minister is about to find out that selling your country's foreign policy to the Kremlin might not work in a country that knows what Russians are. Huge protests demanding his resignation in Bratislava. And miracles happen. Slovakian Prime Minister Fico met with Ukrainian counterpart Shmygal, and they fell in diplomatic love. There are no disagreements anymore. Parties agreed. Slovakia will not block Ukraine's purchases of weapons and equipment from Slovak businesses. Slovakia will support the Ukraine Facility Program, which provides €50 billion to Ukraine from the EU. Slovakia confirmed its full support for Ukraine's European integration aspirations. Cooperate on deliveries by a Slovak company of equipment to build defense lines.
Won't help you.
It's not last meeting, and we will continue to develop our pragmatic and very reliable relations between us, between our governments, between our countries.
Thank you guys for watching. This is all for this video. Stay with us. We will have another update. Comment, like, subscribe, become a member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.